All right, so that was just my Sara Lee classic pound cake that I cut into half. I am now gonna come in with my lemon pie filling. This is a super easy and super quick dessert that I love to throw together when it's super hot outside and I don't want to turn on the oven. Guests love this. It's delicious and super easy to make. I do not have a lot of time. My guests are already on their way. I'm gonna go ahead and spread that lemon pie filling so that it's a nice thin layer on our delicious pound cake. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. Just get it nice and thin. We are gonna put something else on top of it, something that goes so perfectly with lemon, and that's gonna be blueberry. Yep, so we're doing a layer of lemon pie filling and then a layer of blueberry pie filling. All right, just right on top, another thin layer. If you add too much, then our cake won't stack well. Come back in with our mini spatula. Blueberry and lemon are my favorite combination of flavors. If you guys have been following me, you know I make blueberry lemon desserts all the time, but I think this one is gonna be a new favorite because it comes together so quickly. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are ready to stack this back up just like so. Kind of get it nice and straightened out. You see all those delicious layers. Now, the next thing I'm gonna come in with, and if you guys follow me, you know, some Cool Whip. And I'm using the extra creamy because it's my favorite Cool Whip. And we're gonna go ahead and open this up and we are gonna frost our cake with our Cool Whip. Oh my goodness. The extra creamy is just so great because it needs way less time to thaw. Just be extra gentle because we don't want those layers to slip around. So just smooth it out best possible. And then we have some delicious toppings coming our way. All right, it's nice and frosted. I'm gonna bring in a lemon and we're gonna do some lemon zest on top just for some extra flavor and just a nice little presentation. This isn't quite a looker, but when we cut into this, it's gonna look amazing with those layers we put on there. And also it's gonna taste incredible, which is what's most important for a dessert. Just really get a nice coat of lemon zest on there because it makes all the difference. You guys probably could have guessed it. We're gonna bring in some fresh blueberries to top this with because you need a little bit of freshness in your dessert. It just makes everything better, especially during the summer. I love berries. Okay, just plop them here and there. And you can make this cake with any pie filling, any fruit. You could do an apple one for Thanksgiving, but I am just loving this combination for today. Okay, looks good enough for me. And it is time to cut in. It's that easy, you guys. What, that was like 4 ingredients and we have a super easy and delicious cake. Okay, it is time to see that inside. Look at that. Looks so good. Such beautiful, perfect layers. It's time to serve this up. Yummy. Ooh, I already got some Cool Whip on my fork. All right, you guys. I know it's simple, but it's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. You gotta try this.